My name is Moin and I am a BMS graduate specializing in finance. I've been in this field for around 2.5 years. Previously, I was working with Hexaware as an analyst, and I was with an AML team, an AML screening team. I've always been curious about the world and the new technologies that are emerging in it. I've always, I have always had a thrill to learn new things, and AI was something that I had a passion for when I was, in my graduation itself. But I never went through with it. But Imarticus provided me the opportunity, and I took it. I believe it transformed me to understand things from more a different perspective. Most of my focused on finance and the field of finance basically. But through Imarticus, there was a new taste of technology in it. I realized that if I'm doing something, I should do something that could be utilized in everywhere. AI could be implemented in any field. Finance is it tends to narrow down. It goes to a choke point. But technology is something that is available for every field. You can constant new things. You can interact with new clients. You can learn. There is always room to grow. After my completion, I got placed in Haptik, which is a part of Geo. It is a sister company under Geo, and Imarticus has helped me a lot in that. Basically, first of all, the market is very saturated with young individuals who are trying to get into data science space. So Imarticus provides a good launching point. It has a good reputation, goodwill that comes with its name. So alongside those things, it provides opportunities with great companies which are not which are not normally open to traditional markets. It has been great. The things that I've learned have been sticking to me, and it is growth. It is a really good experience. And overall, I would say that Imarticus taught me things that it's not about just the education part of things. It's not just about the things data like technology or coding or languages. It's not about that. More or less, it taught me how to interact with individuals well, how to present myself well. Those things are also really valuable that Imarticus helped me bring to the table.